Yesterday we had a good rain, just about 20 minutes, and it put water in this bed and way over there, way over there. The water got clear up to the fence. We needed the rain. It hadn't rained months and months and months. We put these pallets up here, block some of the wind, and put some oats by them where the horses don't see them, and the chickens can have some oats when they come out. It really got wet. Boy, it needed it. Everything's looking good. They liked all the water. There's Annie. So, when it rains, we're trying to catch the runoff water. It comes flowing out of the desert way that way. And it comes right down here. Hi, Annie. What are you doing? I know, you want something to eat. So, the water comes down here, flows in there, right into the garden. And the next one. Well, hi Gus, you snuck up on me. What are you doing? Don't have nothing for you. Oh Gus, give me something. So, we got runoff water over here. And it catches it and runs off right in here, and that really got wet. So it didn't move on to the next garden. It comes out through here. And Bill's making it a little bit lower so it'll go into that bed. It got pretty wet, but didn't get the runoff water. So he's fixing it. And our ground is still dry. Well, you can see it's still dry. But this did get a lot of water in it. I'm happy about that. We've been waiting for a long time to get rain. And this bed, Bill made a circle around it, this fence, and it went all the way around that circle. And just sit there. Boy, I was liking that. This ditch didn't get any water. What happened? Some water come into it, but it wasn't enough to push it on through into the 4-year-old food forest. We got two other ditches over there. This one did real good. Even with that grass there, it got pushed in here and went on through there and on out. This first ditch flows the heaviest because I want to come in this ditch here, and it goes way on down. And I'm sure glad it just filled up real good, and all these trees got some water. And it goes down past the chicken pens and all the way to the front yard. So I was happy with that water flow. This ditch, the water was in it. Come through here. I imagine that peach tree liked all that rain. So it comes down through here, goes across the path, And right in there. Oh, the girls are working this morning. Are you making eggs, girls? Yeah, got her box. And, oh my goodness. There's 2 of them. One there. Well, y'all busy this morning. Yeah, making some eggs. Good girls. Go and check these boxes. Oh, oh boy. A couple eggs. And they're busy. You all are doing good. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the way the water should run. We got to do a little bit more digging out to get it down here. It'll go through here, through this cane. Should spread out. Bill made little ditches around. Let it spill out. There's a little ditch. Once the water comes in here, it can spread out better. Here's another tarp divider. And then the water should go down here. So we gotta fix this ditch a little bit better. This is the pathway in our front yard. It goes behind the cane. I have to watch it. It always feels so snaky. So come down here. Come on, Blue. Well, he left. Come on, Blue. Come look. I'll send him heading. Go look. Good. Come on. Let him look around. Come on, this way. This way. There you go. Be my guard. So the water is supposed to come down here. This cane needs some water too. It starts thinning up like this, curling up. Well, it don't get water. And there's waterways through here, back in there. I got 2 elm trees in this stuff also. It's hard to find them. So the water comes down here. And it turns right through here somewhere. Heads off that way. It comes through here. And it goes into that patch of cane. But we got to do a lot of work to get our water flowing better. Hopefully, when we get it, what it should be like, it'll come out here, the water, and water that tree and the tree over here. And what we're hoping for, that it will go on across that way and water the grass by the truck. So we still got a lot of work trying to figure it all out. We can't tell what we have to do until it rains. So once it rains, we know which one's not getting water. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I gotta go see if Bill needs some help. Bye.